So, out for a walk at JJ Collett. Got the pup. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. Snow feels fresh. Some spots I could have used snowshoes, but for the most part, it's already well walked and relatively easy to manage. Still as gorgeous as ever though. I think winter might be my favorite time down here. Lots of deer tracks, some moose tracks, probably coyote, rabbit and hare. Haven't seen any sign of porcupine yet, but the walk's not over yet. Kimber's loving all the new smells. Hey, Kimber? Here. What do you say? What do you say? Yeah, she digs it. Somebody's out here with their cross-country skis. That's a fantastic idea. Maybe I'll have to add a pair of those to my outdoors activity items. The mountain bike, camping stuff. I got snowshoes. I just need some skis. I'm past my days of downhilling. That would hurt too much now. Let's go with the low impact, relatively low speed stuff. Except on the bike, I don't mind doing 60 to 70 on the bike down a good hill. That's always a rush. It's gorgeous out here. Come on, psycho. Absolutely beautiful. Look it round it, all that. Just gorgeous.